welcome back to D-Shell TV. If you did not already know, I'm D-Shell. Now you know. Hopping right into the video, y'all can see by the title below, this is gonna be my 9-month update. I'm gonna try to make this pretty short and sweet because there's really not much I feel like to update you guys on at this stage of the game. So first, the most thing that I've been noticing once I reached 9 months and just basically throughout my whole journey, but like especially when I got to like the 8-month, 9-month mark, I realized like I have a lot more, and I wish I could show y'all if I could find some, but usually like they're at the root, but I also find them like in my hair, those little white dots. Maybe I'll look it up and show the actual picture of what they're called, but I'm pretty sure they're hair follicles, and you know your hair is supposed to shed a lot, but since you have locks, they just stay in your hair, so you can see a lot of those in your hair, which can be mistaken for lint. And I honestly do that a lot myself, so if you ever see those in your hair and you're going through your lock training now, do not be alarmed. It is normal. You're not gonna die, none of that. I feel like I'm reaching the end of any budding that I'm really gonna get. I have a few locks that I've said before, I think in my 8-month lock video, that are still budding more towards the end, but for me it's a lot more still like bunching, spots of bunching. I'll try to get up close and show y'all that. So still a lot of bunching, not much in the back of my hair I've noticed, but around like the perimeter of my hair, a lot of bunching, which I don't mind. Some people say that you need to go to the loctician, that's not normal, yada yada. If it wasn't normal, why is it happening to so many people in their lock training? What is it really gonna mess up? Somebody type that down in the comments for me. Go ahead, this is your time to shine. Nope. That's what I thought. So if y'all have bunching, y'all already know budding is pretty much a common thing, but if y'all have bunching and y'all don't really have a problem with it, I say for the most part, leave it alone. It may grow out, it might not. I like my bunching. It makes my locks feel that much more unique. So I just pretty much leave it alone and I go with the flow. Another thing that I've noticed is my locks in the front of my hair. There's like two main ones. There's this one and the one on the other side. I think it's this one. It's like, it feels like it's getting thinner, and it's because a lot of my hair towards the front just won't stay locked in, and it feels like it's getting thinner. So I'm kind of keeping my eyes on that and making sure that doesn't become like too much of a concern. If anybody has had this happen to them and y'all have a solution, please drop that down in the comments, because I do not want my locks right there to just break off. But they're also, I feel like they're not small enough to where I feel like I want to connect them to the one behind it. Personally, I just don't want to do that. If I end up having to, I probably will, but for right now, I'm just gonna let them do what it do. The last thing that I'm probably gonna talk about is dyeing my hair. Obviously, y'all can see that this front part of my hair is dyed. I did dye it brown about a week ago now. It looks a little lighter in the camera, but it's a little darker in person. I don't know how that works exactly, but I dyed these 6 pieces in the front of my hair, and I also dyed the last 2 rows in the back. This is my second time dyeing my hair myself, and if I do say so myself, I did pretty good. The first time, I just didn't leave the dye on long enough. If you're ever thinking about dyeing your hair and you have locks, leave it on longer. If you want to know all the specifics to that, I will link or put in the cards, whichever side it's supposed to be on, and y'all can click on that video and y'all can go and watch it and see what I did and how long I left it in. How long I left it in also will be in the description box of that video. I'm about to give y'all a lock close-up, and then I'm gonna close out this video. thank you all so much for watching, and if you made it to the end of this video, you're a real one. Stay tuned for my next video that's coming out. I mean, I really don't know what it's gonna be, but make sure you got that bell notification turned on. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. Y'all already know what's going on. Stay blessed and unstressed, and I'm out.